Cache Giraffe freezing. On the startup screen is usually easier to diagnose by checking the app, connection, and phone separately instead of immediately reinstalling everything. By the end, you'll know the quickest startup fixes to try, which Android settings can interfere with Cache Giraffe, and what to do if the app still freezes after a clean restart. Start by completely closing Cache Giraffe. Open your recent app screen, swipe Cache Giraffe away, and launch it again. If the app opens normally after that, the freeze was likely temporary. If it still freezes, check your internet connection. Open another website or app and confirm that your connection works. Then switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and try Cache Giraffe again. Next, restart your phone. A full restart clears temporary system processes that can interfere with an app during startup. Now check for an update. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Cache Giraffe, and install any available update. An outdated app can behave differently after changes to the phone's operating system or connected services. If you're using Android, clear Cache Giraffe's cache. Open Settings, select Apps, choose Cache Giraffe, open Storage or Storage, and Cache, and select Clear Cache. Do not select Clear Data unless you understand what information will be removed and are prepared to sign back in if required. Also check your phone's available storage. If the device is extremely low on free space, apps can have problems loading or updating. Remove unnecessary files or apps if storage is nearly full, then restart Cache Giraffe. Battery restrictions can also affect app behavior. Open Cache Giraffe's battery settings, and make sure your phone is not aggressively restricting the app's background activity. If you use a VPN, private DNS, ad blocker, or other network filter, temporarily disable it, and test Cache Giraffe again. These tools can interfere with connections the app needs during startup. If Cache Giraffe still freezes, test another app that requires an internet connection. If other apps are also failing, the problem is more likely related to your phone or network. If other apps work normally but Cache Giraffe remains stuck, capture a screenshot of the frozen screen. Record your phone model, operating system version, Cache Giraffe version, and the steps that caused the freeze. Then, contact Cache Giraffe support through its available support or contact option. Avoid repeatedly reinstalling the app before checking the simpler fixes. A restart, connection test, update, cache clear, and battery setting check can identify the problem without changing your account setup. The best order is: force close Cache Giraffe, switch networks, restart your phone, update the app, clear the cache on Android, and test again. If Cache Giraffe still freezes after those steps, document the exact screen where it stops and contact support. If this fixed your Cache Giraffe startup problem, like the video and subscribe for more reward app troubleshooting guides.